Hey guys, welcome to another video in which I'm going to show you 5 different websites which provide free domain and free hosting. So if you want to start your career with an website, this video is for you. You can see what are the free 5 ways. So guys, at number 1 we will see ProFreeHost. This is a website that contains free domain for life. You can use one Gmail for 3 different websites from ProFreeHost, and it will give you a better free experience. You can watch and read. You can easily register too. We are going to see Zyro.com. It is also a website which provides free hosting and free domain. As you can see, it has a paid version and also have a free version as well. You can scroll down and see and wait for the free version, and there it is. You can try it for free. Sign it with your Gmail account and you can try that. It's a second website which provides free domain and free hosting. Number 3, we are going to see website.com. It is also a source of free domain and free hosting. This website also contains a free experience. You can see create my free website and you can scroll down and there is get a free website now. It also contains a wide range of templates and it is easy to use, and its life of free domain is unlimited. When you want to buy a package you can, but it is comfortable to use it as free. At number 4 we are going to see wix.com. It is also a website source which contains free websites, domain and hostings. It is also very easy to use. You can easily get started to create your own new websites, your shopping or for blogs or for articles or any category you want, for online business or education, blogs, anything. Last but not the least, at number 5 you can see googlesites.com. It is also a source for beginners and intermediates to create their own website for free with unlimited watch time. Google supports it and it is Google certified. So guys, there was it for today. You have watched 5 different free website sources to create a free website, to get a free domain, to get a free hosting. Hope you like the video valuable. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe and see my latest videos as well. Thank you.